by-elections of Ward number 7 of Village Panchayat Kodling. There were 6 candidates who had participated for elections, of which the highest votes have been received by Mr. Luciano Manuel Pereira. He has received 161 votes. Total voting was 443. So he's been declared as the winner. We had one rejected vote. The person had not voted behind the ballot paper. The remaining 5 are Gregory Pereira. He received 50 votes. Goraknath Kedkar, 95 votes. Lawrence Puto, 22 votes. João Lobo, 102 votes. Rosario Fernandez, 12 votes.
Particularly the win, I was so confident that people of Kodling wanted a change. Because the things what are going on over the years as regards to the development of Kodling seems to be on a very low level. And people supported me wholeheartedly only because they wanted good development, and good development we can only achieve only with the ruling government. So that is what the people have shown today.
Were you supported by the present MLA or the minister?
See, support was there from all. I see, even though our MLAs supported me, no doubt, and I can say people supported me through our MLA because it's a ruling government, and without a ruling government no development can take place in a village, and the developments what will be taken up in our village will not be on small I mean to say the maintenance of the village, like it will be a development in such a way that people will always remember. So first of all, the illegalities what are going on has to be checked to bring down the garbage issue in the village. The garbage has become a main concern for all the villagers. So I have thought certain measures will be taken up immediately to bring down the garbage what is seen on the streets today of Kodling to 50% immediate. Then that is my challenge.